What's up, YouTube? Random here checking in, baby. Today's video, I'm gonna run a few little errands. Gonna pick up the doors for the Trans Am so we can drop them off to Mr. Monday. Let them get started on them while we focus on other things. I might hit the yard up, go grab me a part for the Mercedes. I'm gonna go grab me a spindle. But I think the noise that I'm hearing is the mount that's on top of the strut. They say I guess a weak point. I wasn't hearing it before, but I'm hearing it now. And I don't feel comfortable riding like that, gang. So I'm gonna go pick these doors up. Y'all stay tuned. We got the motor mounts about to come in. Gonna put them on the frame of the car. We got the engine in the process of getting assembled. So y'all lock you with me. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you hear me? And I'm gonna holler at you. Let's get it, y'all. And then no access, we gotta do some work. I still need to get my AC straight. We'll be rolling with the windows down, baby. Rolling with the more windows down, you hear me? Rolling with that tower. Been ordering everything else but that AC. But I'll let y'all when we get to the storage. Let's go. Go time. Alright, gang, we done made it to the storage, baby. We about to go pick up these old doors Pops had them purchased for the old Trans Am a while ago. Burger King smelling good. Purchased for the Trans Am a little while ago. And now it's time to get them. All right. Let me get this situated, set up. I'll cut you back on, baby.
Make a separate stack, and then you gotta get the news on how to do it.
All right, gang, this here the drivers do. All right, gang, I was able to remove the glass out of both doors. This one here, gang, well, both of them actually rough. I guess this here passenger side ain't too bad, besides somebody try to pry a lock right there. But mine's in better condition, so I'm gonna use my my passenger though. But I really need this here driver. But y'all see that? So, and then it come on the front side a little bit too. I'm gonna flip it over. It got a nice little dent right there. So all that there gotta get acknowledged. So I'm gonna talk to him, see what he can do about it. See if he want fiberglass that'll be able to try to cut that metal out of there and just change it. I might could cut it out that one out if I ain't gonna use it. I'll talk to him, see what he say. I mean, it might just be better for me to just run a straight cut on the other side and change all that. I threw my drivers though away because it was worse than this. So if I could cut it out, I could cut it out that door right there. But I'm gonna bring all three of them to him and see what he say. Now my drivers though that came off the car looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get this situated. I'm gonna pull this trim off that door, flip it over, clean up that other side, prep it with this rust mart that I've been using. Get that other one loaded up. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a few, gang. All right, gang, so I got all three of the doors loaded up. As y'all can see, I started sanding, treating, but I might just let him, just fix it however he can fix it, do his thing on it. Cause all I got is one driver's door. You see, you got a nice little dent right there. And this here, my best one, which is a passenger original door. So that's what we working with, baby. This one here, passenger door. You see somebody try to pry it up, break in the car or whatever. So y'all see it. I'm gonna drop it off and I'm gonna holler at you on the next one or when we get over there. But that'll probably be on the next video. So y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate y'all again. We gone.